Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make cinnamon sugar donut. Let's get started. First I am going to activate the yeast. I am using 1½ teaspoon of yeast, then added 1 teaspoon of sugar and 130 milliliters of warm milk. Mix them well and keep it close for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Next I am adding 1 medium egg and 50 grams of sugar. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now mix them well. Then I am adding 300 grams of all-purpose flour and mix them well. Now it's time for the kneading. First I am adding 40 grams of butter. Then knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you knead them well continuously. Then add some oil to the pan and keep it closed until dough size become double. Approximately you have to keep it closed for 1 hour. Let's move on to the baking paper until dough is ready. Cut the baking paper into 10 cm by 10 cm pieces. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now take out the dough and then flatter it by using the hands. Then divide it to equal pieces and make round shape balls. Then flatter the pieces on top of the baking paper. I am using a piping tip to cut out the donut holes. If you still watching the video and if you love sweet recipes, comment below, as this is so sweet. If you've seen my videos for the first time, don't forget to follow me on the Facebook. Like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Now keep it closed for 20 minutes with clean cloth. Now I am heating up the oil in a pan for frying. Once oil heated up, reduce the flames into low flames. Then gently lower the donut to the pan. After 15 to 20 seconds you can remove the baking paper from the pan. Donuts going to be fried very quickly, so be ready to flip them over every 30 seconds. Fry until both sides become golden brown color. After you take out the donuts from the pan, immediately coat them with sugar. See how nice these donuts looks. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end and see you in the next recipe. Thank you.